2023 Chevrolet TrailBlazer. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats. Not finding what you're looking for? Give us your feedback.